In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup Notepad. Whether you're jotting down quick ideas or organizing tasks, Clickup's Notepad feature can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you make the best of this handy tool. First things first, we need to head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, clickup.com. This will take you to the main homepage. If you're already familiar with Clickup, you might remember some of this, but bear with me as I guide you through each essential step. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Logging in is a necessary step to access your personal Clickup workspace, where all your notes will be stored securely. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll see different options to sign in. In this tutorial, we're opting for the Continue with Google method. It's straightforward and often the fastest way to get started, especially if your Google account is already linked to Clickup. Choose your preferred Google account when prompted, and you'll be connected in no time. Now that you've logged in, take a look at the left panel. This panel is your navigation hub within Clickup. You'll want to find your workspace. It's where all your tasks, documents, and of course, the notepad will reside. Click your space to enter that area. Each workspace is like a digital office, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. After locating your workspace, let's head over to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, locate the Keyboard Shortcuts option. This may seem like a detour, but it's a crucial step for those who love using shortcuts to enhance efficiency. The Keyboard Shortcuts menu will provide you with an overview of all the hotkeys available. Now, the magic happens. To open the Clickup Notepad, you simply need to press either the N key or the P key on your keyboard. Just like that, your notepad will pop up on the screen, ready for you to start typing away. This simple shortcut can save you time and effort, making it easy to jot down ideas or tasks without interrupting your workflow. With these easy steps, you've unlocked the power of the Clickup Notepad. It's an excellent tool for keeping track of thoughts and action items without leaving the Clickup environment. Enjoy your newly found efficiency and get ready to take note-taking to the next level.